Hi there! How is your learning so far? We have now reached tip 8 of the 111 tips for learning a language. The purpose of this tip is to explore your creativity with the adjectives and verbs you have learned so far. I would like to suggest that you brainstorm a sentence a day incorporating either the adjective or the verb. By doing so, you are putting the word to practical usage. Write or read out the sentence. If you write down the sentence, write it down in a notebook with an old-fashioned pen. If you read the sentence, then record it with your phone. The writing and recording will serve as a benchmark of what you have learned for the day. Make a short sentence. It does not have to be complicated. The sentence is for your own understanding and for a sense of satisfaction for having learned new words. May your learning be inspired and fruitful. You will hear from me in our next episode. Till then, I wish you inspired learning.